Hello, trading has closed on Monday, June 16th, 2025. As always, I will start with my disclaimer, go over the calls, and then make some predictions. It's my trading plan for Tuesday, which is June 17th, 2025. I have personal business tonight, do not have much time to look at the market, and bear that in mind. I also don't know how futures are going to open when trading resumes at 6 o'clock Eastern Time. Look for the pattern with the early high, which is this, and tomorrow should also have the early high. This is what we said. We had an inverted diamond on stilts pattern. I thought there was a good chance the recent decline could reverse completely. That's what happened. Here's your stilt, here's your diamond, here's your stilt. This high is a Fibonacci target of the prior consolidation, so that all worked. We hit a target of 6,012.44 and that printed. We also said that the wall with gap pattern tended to fill very quickly, either today or tomorrow morning. Well, we did fill it, and this is resistance right over the top there. So there's resistance at this high from the Fibonacci target, from the wall with gap pattern, and the MEJT target, which we get to cross off the list. And we not only haven't we broken through resistance, the close here couldn't take out any of the highs of the prior consolidation. Now, time doesn't run out until tomorrow morning. I mean, we could gap up here and keep this going. I can't say it's impossible, but right now it's just a rally to a resistance area and backing and filling, but that doesn't mean we can't go higher because we haven't undercut any of these lows yet either. We'll come back to that. During the day we got an ultimate buy signal, we got the minimum and more than that, so we don't have to go more. MEJT also said this lower target would print. All this has played out. Well, this is the count I had to give us an ABC for wave A, and it sure looks like another A. And here's an ABC with C equal to A. I mean, it's perfect. If we just go up, that's blue B, and then we can keep going higher. But that's not the only way to count it. This is a straight line move, and that could be an X wave. Diamond on stilts patterns tend to very frequently occur back to back and even back to back to back, and that's a stilt. Here's your diamond, that's a stilt. Here's your diamond. This could be another diamond. This could be a stilt. This could be a diamond. We could have a stilt-like move down, and it wouldn't really change anything. It really isn't a very clear pattern to me. I can explain a gap up or a gap down, and many times when I can't come up with something, we close unchanged. So I'm going to wait to see what happens in the morning before risking any money. This was enough of a call to stand in front of this, but that doesn't mean I can do it every day, and I just can't do it today. I don't have a great plan for tomorrow. So tomorrow's pattern has the early high, which doesn't tell us where we open. Today's strong rally couldn't manage a close over prior highs, and it stopped the resistance. If we gap up sharply, there's a clear count arguing for more upside. If we gap down sharply, we could drop back down to Friday's lows. Right now, I don't even have something requiring us to gap at all. I think higher prices are coming. I can't say they have to print tomorrow. I'm going to wait for the open tomorrow because I don't have a clear plan at this time. So it is the pattern with the early high, but just because that's an early high, that's not going to stop us from opening way down here. And until I see how we open tomorrow, I'm just going to hold off on making a call. And that's today's non-call.